The maintenance of way umbrella encompasses a diverse range of tasks, and the equipment reflects this. The beginning of maintenance on the right-of-way starts with the track inspector. Here we see the track inspection vehicle looking for defects while traversing the track. Other ways the track gets inspected is by Sperry vehicles. Here, a Sperry truck marks a track defect for future repairs, while a Sperry rail car is seen inspecting this section of track. Autonomous track inspection cars like the FRA Car 221 report on track geometry defects. CSX autonomous geometry cars are placed in regular train service and report defects remotely to a company data center for evaluation. Once tracks have been designated for repairs, the maintenance of way teams move in. Some railroads brought in self-contained living quarters for the crews to stay in at or near the job site, like this Conrail Camp Car train. Nowadays, the maintenance of way crews stay in nearby motels and get bused to the job site. Track equipment on flat cars and supplies are brought to the job site on maintenance of way trains. Supplies such as ties may be carried on the same trains and gondola cars. Other track supplies such as rails, frogs, or panel track can also be delivered in gondolas, as this Pan Am Railways train shows. Most track equipment is self-propelled and can travel directly on the rails. Some of this equipment consists of cranes. Self-propelled cranes can deliver loads to the maintenance of way crews and are invaluable for a multitude of jobs along the right-of-way. Here, an American crane with flat car delivers rails to the work area. Tie cranes deposit the railroad ties along the right-of-way for other machines to use in rebuilding track. Tie exchangers. Replacing worn or damaged railroad ties is a critical task. Tie exchangers efficiently remove old ties and install new ones, minimizing disruption to rail traffic. Ballast tampers. A firm roadbed is an important part of the track structure. These machines push ballast under the track ties to align and level the track to create the roadbed required to support the loads of heavy trains. Ballast regulator machines groom the gravel ballast that supports the tracks, ensuring proper drainage and distribution of the load evenly. Their wings, plows, and sweepers shape the ballast into the correct profile, contributing to track stability. Ballast trains carry a supply of ballast rock that gets precisely dumped on the tracks to keep right-of-way in top shape. Here we see an Amtrak Ballast train en route to distribute and replenish the track bed that a MOW crew is working on. A CSX Ballast train is moving on the connector en route to a job site with a load of ballast rock and several cars of riprap material to fill in washouts along the right-of-way. Vegetation control equipment. Weeds and overgrown vegetation can impede track inspection visibility and cause drainage issues, which may even damage track structures. Specialized sprayer trains such as this one and brush cutters keep the right-of-way clear of tall grasses and brush. Some other MOW equipment that are sometimes overlooked are Russell snowplows and Jordan spreaders. The iconic wedge shape of the Russell plow was engineered to lift and throw snow to the sides of the track, clearing a path wide enough for the train to pass. For deeper drifts, some Russell plows featured adjustable side wings that could extend outwards, widening the cleared area. The Jordan spreader is a self-contained multi-purpose maintenance vehicle. Its extendable hydraulically operated side wings and blades can extend far beyond the gauge of the tracks to clear a lot of snow. Beyond snow removal, the Jordan spreader is incredibly effective at spreading ballast, ditching, grading, bank trimming, and right-of-way cleanup work. And as we wrap up our glimpse into this incredible world of railroad maintenance of way equipment on the move, consider this. We witnessed a vast variety of maintenance of way equipment in HO scale in this video, but have only scratched the surface of the machines that keep the railroad running smoothly. I hope you enjoyed this video and leave a like or subscribe to see more of these model railroad videos. Thanks for watching.
Hey, that's pretty good.